So, ito yung kamote natin. So, look at that nice big kamote there. See? It's careful.
I want it.
Wala, ang laki niya.
I wanna eat it, Mama.
Okay, we're gonna get it for you.
Mama, can I eat it?
Okay, well, mommy will remove it so you can have it. Ang laki. Be careful with that, scissor. Did I break it? Oh no, I didn't break it. Ang aming kamote sa bahay there you go. There's one. There, excuse me. There's one.
Mama, can I go outside with you?
Yeah, you can stay here with mama. It's not too cold. This one is malaki, guys. Ang laki niya talaga.
Cool.
So, parang isang buong. Tapos ang lalim niya pa.
There's another one.
Ang laki. Hindi ko siya mahukay ma.
Looks like the second one is a really big one.
Yeah, I can barely take this one out. Oh. Parang buong puno ata ang sinakop nito. So, yan ang aming kamote. Parang buong puno. Parang naging singkamas naman na to. No? Look like this one is singkamas. Okay, I will take that one also. Yeah, we can take that one also. Kasi maganda yung quality ng buhangin niya. Para siyang buhag-hag. Oh, mama, don't lean on mama. I'm gonna fall. Just wait a bit.
I just wanna hug you.
Yeah, but I have key in my mama's pocket. Oh, hindi siya kayang mahukay. Ang laki. Kaya pa isang buong palad na siya. Tapos sobrang lalim pa. Yeah, just wait mama. I think I need the shovel. Yes, nag-ano kami ng tinag ko yung I think we can just leave this one here. But I'm not sure if we're gonna damage the whole thing. Parang siya yung pinaka-main, niya ba? Pinaka-main. Yeah. Wala na. Actually, we should really remove this one, mama. Or we can just leave it like this. So, isang piraso na pa na kumuha. Ang lalim kasi. Talaga siya makuha, guys. Sobrang then nauga na siya. Siya po dun. Kasi ang ugat niya nandito. So siya mamatay. Ang lalim. Diyos ko. 5 minuto tayo naghukay. Cannot really remove, mama. It's too tough, this one. See, wow.
Wow, it grew for 100 days.
Compared to sa isa.
This one's big than this one.
Yeah.